All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're bringing you a crypto project, a BUSD crypto project. It's called DinoBUSD. Yep, this crypto project's paying out 8% a day. There's some good features on it. We're going to cover them all. We're going to go to the white paper. We're going to check everything out. At the end, we're going to do a little compound on the BNB miner. All kinds of good stuff going to happen. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and be able to get into some projects and understand it. Might as well get it out of the way early. I'm not a financial planner. We do all this for educational purposes only. This is a solo dolo kind of thing. If you hit the button and you make money, good for you. If you hit the button and you lose money, that's all on you. I'm not a financial planner. Let's head over to DinoBUSD. All right. Here we are, DinoBUSD. Let's take a look at a couple of things here. First of all, this project is paying 8% out of the day, which is really good. It's been out for about a week. There's $77,000 in the account. I'm sorry, 7731 BUSD, but BUSD is pegged to $1, so $77,000. When you withdraw the money, there's a 2% depositing. There's a 4% and a 2% deb fee. All kinds of good stuff. Well, not late to the party because this is got some good features. I put $500 in today, or 500 BUSD. I was watching Crypto Craig, and he kind of likes this project. I've watched a couple YouTubers, and after evaluating it and checking out the white paper, I kind of like it too. All right, what are some of the things I like? Well, right here, they have an unstake button. So, like, if I put this money in, which I just did, as you can see, and I felt like I didn't like it, I can unstake them. I can unstake it. Now, there's going to be a tax you're going to pay. Could be up to 10%. I haven't quite figured that out yet. I'll see if we can find it today in the white paper. But this is fantastic. There's an unstaking right here. Now you get 8% a day. Take a look right there. I'm earning $40 a day. Now a couple catches here. So I deposited on 6/30 at 12:37 in the afternoon. I can make my first claim 24 hours later. It tells you when you can do it. So 7/1, look at the same time. 12:37, 12:37. You make rewards for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you have to be involved in the game. If you're not involved in the game, then you can't make more rewards. For example, at 12:37 to 12:38, I go ahead and hit claim right here. Good. If I don't get around to this at 5 or 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I lose 4 hours of rewards. So far, I've already earned $15 or 15 BUSD. When it's 12:37 tomorrow, then basically I'm going to get 40 BUSD. All right, now, what happens is for 7 days you claim. So you claim it for 7 days. You can only withdraw once a week. Now, they already got the date here. On 7/7, so today's the 1st of July. On 7/7, I can make my first withdrawal. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It's like 50%. 8 times 7 days is 56%. Times 2 weeks. It takes 2 weeks to get your money back. Okay, so that's why I thought this was pretty good. Okay, so we're going to give it a try. Again, not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. You know, if you want to put $5 in, $50 in, $1,000 in, whatever you want to do, you do it. You be you. Okay, but again, I like this is BUSD. Let's go over that for a little bit. I don't have to worry about next week that the coin being down. I got the FTM Crop Farmers. It's a fantastic project by George. I love it. I put $500 in, FTM, 700 FTM at the time, and it was 70 cents. FTM's like a quarter now. So I thought it was going to take me this long to break even. Now it's going to take me this long to break even. That's because the coin goes up and down. BUSD, I don't have to worry about that. I have to worry about 2 weeks to be able to break even. Now, let's go over some things here. They also have a lottery here. Join BUSD lottery now. Play now. So you can click here to play the lottery. There's 3 different lotteries. You can do a $30 BUSD lottery, a 50 BUSD lottery, and a 200 BUSD lottery. Okay, when you go ahead and you have to approve how much you want to play, and literally, I think there's minimum people that you can. There's a silver, a gold, and a diamond. So like right here, there's this entry is a 5 BUSD. There's 6 people that can be in it. There's 1 person in it right now. There's 5 open slots. This one's 10 BUSD, 5 people. So, basically, they lowered their little stake, which is fantastic. Let's go over to the white paper here. So it says, an introduction, DinoBUSD is an investment platform developed by a group of genuine individuals and have a long multiple success investment portfolio earlier. This is the latest sustainable staking project. There's 2 parts of it. Among other such projects is the one of a kind due to the unique and supportive business model associated to it. DinoBUSD funding won't just generate through investors, but it will also have a proper fund allocation through the lottery business model, which will make it sustainable for high growth. So first, business number 1, or model A. Business models or offering overview. DinoBUSD has offered multi-investment options through its channel, which are associated with attractive gains in various levels. Okay, so first one, DinoBUSD investment. Anyone making an investment in DinoBUSD will get a fixed 8% daily ROI principal value with a lower investment called ceiling of 50. Okay, so showing you this over here. Look, it shows you if you put 50 BUSD in, 8%, you're going to make $4. The next day, you didn't put nothing else in. You get the 50 in. The next day, you make $4. You didn't put nothing else in. You made $4. At the end of the week, look, you put 50 BUSD in. At the end of the week, you made 28. You made half your money back in the first week. Now, key thing here is I actually put 100 BUSD in, and I decided to add another 400. And basically, in the first week, whatever you put in, it actually talliates for you, and then it sets it at there. So, like, I didn't have to do a second one, so now my total is the 500. If that makes sense. Second thing here, hope I didn't confuse everybody here. There's a lottery function, so a part of this money is going to go back into the back into the pool to make the project stronger. Of course, winners are going to win the lottery, but the nice thing about it is a percentage of that's going to go back into the program. Okay, let's head back over here. Let's go back over to DinoBUSD. All right, so other thing, there's a 5x on this. So I know I put 500 in this. So 500 times 5 is 2,500. So you see the 500 here? Once I earn 2,500, the game is over. Okay, and there's another way the game's over. You see how there's 77,000 in this BUSD? This has been out for a week right now, okay, which is fantastic. When this goes to 0, the game is over. Okay, will this be around in a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now? I don't believe it'll be around for the rest of our lives or a year from now. So you just got to look at this like a video game or a game. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. So pay attention to the contract balance. But there's a 5x feature. So I got 500 in. Once I've claimed 2,500, basically the game is over. The only way the game won't be over is if I decided to put more money in. Again, you can unstake your money here. Now I'm going to use this as at 500. So let's say I've claimed $100 in rewards, and I wanted to unstake this. I would only get 400 of this. Now there's going to be tax you have to pay to unstake it, but I think this is fantastic that the project has an unstaking feature. That if I put the money in and 3 to 5 days later, I just didn't feel too comfortable about it, and I wasn't sure about it, I can go ahead and unstake my money. Now again, crypto projects could be gone tomorrow. It's not regulated. Invest only what you're willing to lose. So what I'm saying here is I'm willing to lose up to $500. That's what my threshold. I could have put 50 in, but the 8% on 50, maybe just like Mr. Wonderful talks in the Shark Tank that he doesn't get out of bed for 5%. It maybe wouldn't have excited me with the $50. I decided to put 500 BUSD in. All right, so check this out. I'm going to go ahead and put my referral link at the bottom. Don't forget there's a lottery feature here. It's audited right here at the bottom here. Enter FI, play now. It's got a Telegram group. You can go over to the Telegram, join the group, talk all about what's going on, see what other people are saying, learn a little tips. They got little charts here, all kinds of good stuff there, which is fantastic. I think the Telegram groups are awesome because it tells you what's going on with things. Also, it's got a Twitter right here. Let's check out their Twitter. DinoBUSD entered into the new era of mining, the first ever platform with the business model added to mining. earn BUSD and play lottery to get enormous rewards. So again, they have two models here. One's the BUSD model that you put in and you stake it. You can withdraw your money for 7 days, but after 24 hours, you have to hit the withdraw button. If I had 24 hours, if I waited 28 hours, 4 hours, I would not be making rewards. So you do have to be involved. If you don't plan on hitting the little button every 24 hours, don't do the program. Then after 7 days, you get to claim it, and then you put that in your wallet. Now remember the example, on $4, $50, there'd be 28 BUSD there. So after 1 week, he could put half the money back in his bank account, back in his MetaMask Trust wallet. Today was the payday, guys. We want every family member to share the experience of the withdrawals. DinoBUSD or an ROI at 8% a day, which is a pretty good return. The Dino family not coming slow. Take a look at that. Our latest winner. You got a winner of one of the actual lotteries here, and here's one of the winners and stuff. So again, go over to their Twitter account and check everything out. Go over to their Telegram group and check everything out. That's fantastic. Bringing this over to my viewers. This is a project that I'm doing. If you saw my video the other day, I had 5 projects that I'm doing. I'm winning in all 5 of them. The Cake of Fortune, BNB Miner, Trust Miner, BUSD Crop Farmers, and BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. Also, George today on Friday is launching a BNB Yield Farmers, which is going to be fantastic. He's not going to rug. George is a very respectable dev in the industry, so that's coming out today too. Let's head over to BNB Miner and just see how we're doing in there. Remember, I put 4 BNB in there. All right, I put the 4 BNB in. I got 5.67 there, so I've compounded it enough. Look, I got 0.01622. I'm going to go ahead and compound this little bad boy, put this back into the contract. I'm going to compound this thing to 10, then I'm going to get it to 20, then I'm going to get it to 50 BNB. I thought that guy started with 10, but I guess he started with 20 BNB. Yeah, either way, I'm going to get to 10 real quick. But watch this, 0.016. Guess where it's going to go? Points right here. 679. 679 went to 697. So you just watch my TVL go up. BNB Miner, that's right, the longest running miner on the planet, 465 days. This is my favorite project. The Cake of Fortune's my second favorite project. The Elk of Fortune's coming out soon. I'm going to put that in there too, but just hasn't come out yet. But BNB Miner, another fantastic project. All right, just wanted to recap this again. Look at Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We put 500 BUSD in. Crypto Craig, I watched his video. I actually used his referral link. I'll put my referral link in the bottom if any of you like this. But I put 500 in. Look what I'm making a day. 40 a day. Tomorrow, today, basically, July 1st at 12:37, I have to make a claim. I'll claim for 7 days. On this day, 7/7. That's a pretty good day, actually. 7/7. I'm going to go ahead and claim my first week, and I'll have over 50% of my BUSD back after 1 week. It basically takes 2 weeks to ROI to get your money back. You 5x. Once you 5x it, the game is over. Once this money in here runs out, the game is over. All right, everybody, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Check everything out. Solo dolo. If you click that button, you make a lot of money. Fantastic. If you click the button and you lose a lot of money, no one took your finger and did it for you. You did it yourself. So, again, I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. BNB crop yield is coming out today. George's project, check that out. Any of the crop farmers, the BUSD yield farmers, any of those are going to have the advertisement there. Check it out. Get in early. That's going to be another fantastic project. Click right here so you can learn about my favorite project, BNB Miner. Click right here so you can see my second favorite project, the Cake of Fortune. All right, everybody. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, bringing passive income projects to you during a bear market with crypto. Don't just buy the coin and hold it and hope it goes to the moon. Take a look at AVAX. It was at $70, $80. Now it's down to 16. If you're holding that sack, man, you got a lot of way to go before it gets back to 70 or 80. So thanks for tuning in and have a fantastic day.